Hi friends, I'm in Joann's and I just wanted to show you some of the things to look for if you're going to start the project from scratch and buy you some fabric. This is 10-inch squares and there is 20 of them and there's 10 different fabrics. That's a nice variety. The bundle I have at home only has 5 different fabrics, so this is a nice variety for your circles. So you would have 10 different fabrics for circles. You would have to double some of them. And then here is a big nice variety pack that goes with that. And the reason you can tell it goes with that, it tells you on here that this is multi-oil crackle fabric roll. On the back of here, it tells you that this is multi-oil crackle roll. So these go together. And then if you're going to get it in fat quarters, this one and this one go together. Now, how you can tell they go together, this one says that it is multi-bright bundle 1. This one is multi-bright bundle 2. So that's how you get your 10 fabrics. But this has 20 fabrics in it and it's 10 designs of 2 each. So you get 2 2.5-inch strips in this row to match this. So you need something this big to do your circles, but this can make your accent blocks. And how you can tell it goes together, because it tells you that this is multi-bright fabric roll and these two were bundle 1 and bundle 2 of that same fabric roll. And then I also found this one. This is pastel blender bundle 2. And this is pastel blender bundle 1. So there's 10 different fabrics here, but then here is the jelly roll of it. And it tells us it's the jelly roll, pastel blender fabric jelly roll. So all 10 of these fabrics, is in this one roll, 2 strips each. So you get 20 in there. So if I was gonna start the project from scratch, I would buy something like that. And then here's another one that I found. This one is called dark blue. Let's see. Dark blue trend fabric roll, and there's 20 2.5-inch strips. And then this one is dark blue, and this is fabric bundle 2. And this one is fabric bundle 1. And so that's how you would get all of your fabric. So I would start with like something like that if I was going to start the project from scratch. That way I have enough variety in the big circles, even though you might have to double them up, a couple up, and then you have the nice strips. But you could also, if you didn't get the strips, you should have enough to do your strips out of this, and you wouldn't need this. So yeah, you could do it that way as well. So yeah, so if you want to get started, these are some of the ways that you can get started. But if you if you wanted to eliminate the jelly roll, you could, because you could just cut your own 2.5-inch strips once you cut your pieces for the 6 by 8.5 or 6 by 9 for the circle, the embroidered circles. So Joann's had a lot of variety, way more than Hobby Lobby. So I would start there. I hope this helps. God bless. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Be blessed, my friends. Bye-bye.